Hello. Our project is about measuring helpfulness on Amazon reviews, and helpfulness is like a weird category because we read a review and we understand why it's helpful, but that typically depends on what is it that review is reviewing, and is it because it like exposed a common problem and so I didn't buy it, or is it because it encouraged me to buy it, or lots of different reasons go into helpfulness, and that's like our goal is to understand what makes a review considered helpful.
Yeah, so as Enric introduced before, so our final kind of product is more like whenever you say like you go to Amazon.com and when you see like a product, you want to see like, okay, like probably like 100 or like 100 review, and you want to take a like immediate look to see, okay, which one is like more helpful in order to kind of like guide you through. So that this is our product, which is more like a classifier on whether this kind of review is like more is like a helpful one or is like not. So for metrics of helpfulness, like we read through like some of the papers here. So basically on Amazon.com, there's like a they measure this through like a number of votes that people feel like it's helpful, and divided by like a number of total votes. So we will also use this as like a continuous like metrics, and at the same time we will manually code like the helpfulness of the reviews as like good, fair, and bad. So one of the paper mentioned that there might also be like unvoted reviews. So we might want to try like to make like a predicted result based on like the different features. For example, like the time. Say like if there's like a new review coming out, like not a lot of people have seen it, so that like there might be like a time recency bias that we might want to like get a model on. So these are the metrics of the helpfulness. Then we dive into like the content and context analysis. So for if you want to take a serious look on the reviews, that there might be a lot of like different content features that we want to build on the natural language processing model. For example, there is like a formula here that shows the concept of readability, which is a flash reading ease index. And for context analysis, we might want to, for example, predict like the current review helpfulness based on the previous, like the past review helpfulness. And we also want to, for example, examine like the user reviewer product rating history. Yeah.
I need to speak fast. So the photo in the slide, it's actually a bit outdated. Rather than 34 million, we're actually given 142 million. We actually are given like another year of the time span too, to July 2014. For each one of those reviews is given to us in JSON. Includes ratings, text, product description. For each one of those specific reviews, we're actually given additional metadata too that might be useful. Dang.
Thank you.